Om Shri Sai Ram. On behalf of every single Shri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini volunteer located anywhere in the world, I place our collective pranams at the lotus feet of His Divine Worship, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Omniscient Lord, respected members of the Shri Satya Sai Central Trust, Shri K. Chakravarti Sir, Shri Ratnakar Ji, respected All India President Shri Nimish Pandya Ji, and the National Bal Vikas Coordinator of Shri Satya Sai Seva Organizations, Srimati Kamla Pandya Ji, dignitaries, and most importantly, members of the Shri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini family. Loving Sai Ram to all of you. Till last year, all possible finish lines were eluding Vidya Vahini, and we were dealing with moving parts within moving parts, all of which needed to be reviewed and revised and at times replaced. We were plagued with confusion and we felt overwhelmed. Under those circumstances, we just placed a heartfelt prayer of Anyatha Sharanam Nasti before our dear Lord, and He bestowed upon us a strong sense of clarity, confidence, and conviction. We took His divine name and a huge leap of faith and decided to forge ahead and start. Just start somewhere. And we picked two synchronous starting points: content completion and classroom implementation. As you may know, the Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini program is an online aggregator of the best practices of Sai education. It is Bhagwan's way of extending to all children everywhere the advantage of Sai education. It is aimed at empowering rural teachers so that they can benefit from the ready-made content and teaching aids that experts in the field of education have put together. The goal is to fill the numeracy and literacy gap while also providing a healthy shot of human values. Training is also provided to teachers on how to access and transact our resources available online. This helps to enhance their own knowledge of the subjects they teach, pedagogy, and tech usage. With the lockdown, we took up intense online training of teachers from rural size schools with multiple sessions happening on multiple online bridges simultaneously, daily, 7 days a week. This included hand-holding our Sai school teachers across India to cope with the new challenge of online teaching. All our teams are driven by volunteers. Many of them have demanding jobs and home responsibilities. Yet, with Bhagwan's grace, since 2018, most of us have been working long hours, 7 days a week, and these turned into endless and continuous work cycles since April of 2020. The past 7 months have left us breathless. And we thank our dearest Lord for it, because in every moment of our struggles, we found Swami holding our hand, prompting us, guiding us, and energizing us. Despite all the pandemic-related negativity that overwhelmed the universe, we were largely in a state of bliss, fearlessness, and joy, serving Him, discovering His presence at every turn. In December 2018, when we had resolved to serve rural size schools that went up to grade 10, we had 27 interested takers. Later, the number grew to 52 and counting. And before we knew it, Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini was attracting national attention. For example, our inputs to include universal human values and Grama Seva in the National Education Policy can be found on page 37.11.8 of the NEP 2020. In March of 2018, an invitation by the Niti Aayog led to a request from the Government of India to pilot Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini program in India's aspirational districts. We recently celebrated the first anniversary of our successful engagement with the Virudhunagar government schools in Tamil Nadu. In May this year, that is in May 2020, the Ministry of Education in New Delhi requested for a few samples of Vidya Vahini lesson plans for independent assessment. After careful scrutiny, the NCERT experts recommended that the Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini content, consisting of over 1,200 master lesson plans, be shared with the nation's teachers through the government's nodal portal, Diksha, which is a digital resource for teachers. A formal MOU or a Memorandum of Understanding has been signed between the NCERT and the Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust in this regard. On the auspicious Avatar Declaration Day, Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini project was formally onboarded onto the Government of India's Diksha portal. Each of our lesson plans are based on the finest of pedagogical methodology, enriched with colorful multimedia to bring alive the concepts, integrated with human values and activity-based learning for kinesthetic learners. Today, the EdTech market in India is booming. Thanks to NEP 2020 and the time crunch experienced by working parents, EdTech business is growing exponentially. In India alone, the EdTech space is a multi-billion-dollar industry catering to the wealthy who want their children to self-learn using tablets that come preloaded with content. With his infinite wisdom and truly unknown to any of us, Bhagwan had been preparing us at Vidyavahini to disrupt this elitist trend in education by including the rest of India in the India growth story. Rural children are often deprived of basic life necessities, and Bhagwan, out of his compassion and due to his all-inclusive vision and foresight, started Vidyavahini to cater to the deprived so that no child is left behind in India's digital transformation. Most importantly, Bhagwan placed the EdTech advantage in the hands and control of the teachers because, true to the Vedic dictum, Acharya Devo Bhava, Bhagwan confirmed that a guide, a mentor or a teacher is necessary for every child to learn successfully with or without tech. Today, Vidyavahini is the confluence of eternal values, cutting-edge technology and the finest of pedagogy. And Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini shatters the class ceiling between the haves and the have-nots, thereby democratizing the access to EdTech space with an added advantage, namely human values integration. This is truly an enormous investment in the mental, emotional, physical and spiritual well-being of future citizens of Bharat. Clearly, no one in the history of humanity has invested so deeply, so strategically and so lovingly towards human capital as the incarnation of love, our most beloved Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. We bow to him in awe, in reverence and with enormous gratitude for including us in his story. I now hand you over to my colleagues who are all scattered around the globe. As each team presents, please bear in mind that behind each impersonal statistic is hours and hours of intense hard work that my colleagues have put in towards this collaborative effort. Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini is truly a labor of intense love and commitment. It is our sadhana to self-transform through selfless service, and we remain so grateful to Bhagwan for this opportunity. We will give you a quick walkthrough of our engagement at national level, and we will also hear from our trustees and the All India President. Thank you and Sai Ram.